For making this knot, we have to create a bight. We take the bight and we make a overhand loop. When we make this overhand loop, we have to be careful to create a loop with the ropes in the right position, not like this, not one on the other, but that one that is in the center has to be in the center. Then I put the bight inside from below in the loop. I can close a little bit this overhand loop, and then I take this loop here, this bight, and we put over the knot. Then I just pull this part and the knot is done.